Who makes the safest crossovers in America? Let's take a look. The crossover segment is the hottest in the industry, with every manufacturer aiming to carve out a piece of the market. And while modern designs and materials have made today's vehicles safer than ever, when it comes to standard safety technology, not all crossovers are created equal. In 2019, safety means more than airbags, crumple zones, and even formerly cutting-edge systems like anti-lock brakes or traction control. Today, most manufacturers offer a full suite of safety technology, including forward collision warning, auto braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic alert. In this video, we're highlighting mainstream crossovers where the full suite of safety equipment comes standard. First up is the 2019 Ford Edge, which starts at $29,995. Standard models feature a 2-liter 4-cylinder good for 250 horsepower, and an 8-speed automatic transmission is new for 2019. We love the Edge's roomy cabin and easy-to-use infotainment system, and enthusiasts will appreciate the ST trim's twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, which puts out a whopping 335 horsepower. In EPA testing, front-wheel drive models earned a combined rating of 25 miles per gallon, all-wheel drive versions scored 23, and the high-performance ST 21. Next, there's the 2019 Santa Fe, which is Hyundai's best-selling SUV. It starts at $25,500 for base models and climbs to $30,850 for 3-row versions. The 2-row Santa Fe is available with a choice of engines for up to 290 horsepower. During our time with the Santa Fe, we found the cabin to be quiet and comfortable, and Hyundai's industry-leading 100,000-mile powertrain warranty will provide buyers with peace of mind. Depending on the powertrain, the 2-row models achieve between 22 and 25 miles combined in EPA testing, and 3-row models between 19 and 21. The Subaru Forester is all new for 2019 and starts at $24,295. All Foresters feature a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder good for 182 horsepower, and as with most Subarus, all-wheel drive comes standard. At 8.7 inches, ground clearance is also the best of all the vehicles in this group, so those looking to hit the slope should be confident this well-handling ride will be up to the task. If it's been a while since you've driven a Subaru, the Forester is worth looking at, as the company has made big strides in overall cabin quality. Even with its standard all-wheel drive, the Subaru manages to score an impressive 29 miles per gallon in EPA testing. Like a perpetual overachiever, Toyota actually offers 2 vehicles which fit the bill in this roundup, the CHR and the RAV4. The CHR starts at $20,995 and comes with a 144 horsepower 4-cylinder. We found the handling to be great and appreciated that Apple CarPlay is now standard. That said, the CHR is only available in front-wheel drive, so those looking for power at all 4 corners will need to look at the RAV4, which comes in at $25,500. The RAV4 is all new for 2019 and features generous cargo space along with a forgiving ride that soaks up road imperfections. In EPA combined testing, the CHR averaged 29 miles per gallon, while the RAV4 scored 30 miles per gallon in front-wheel drive spec and 28 for all-wheel drive models. From the Ford to the Hyundai to the Subaru to the Toyotas, all these vehicles have areas where they shine. But when you're cross-shopping, rest assured they all feature a cutting-edge package of safety tech that'll help keep you and your family safe. Visit AutoNation.com to find a dealer near you and check them out for yourself. Which of these would you buy? Leave a comment below. Also be sure to subscribe, as we have a lot more coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.